Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you the proper seat and steering wheel position for driving. In this video, I'll be going over the simple positioning for your steering wheel and your seat in order to be an effective and a safe driver. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. We're going to start off with the steering wheel position. So first and foremost, you want the steering wheel to be in a position that allows you to grip it comfortably. So with that being said, you want to be able to grip the steering wheel like this, and you don't want to have to reach out for it like that, but you also don't want to be cramped up just like this. So what you want to do is you also want to make sure that the steering wheel allows you to see all of the gauges that you need to see. So I'm looking down here right now, and I've actually mispositioned my steering wheel. So I'm going to raise it up because I can see the gauges, but I'm missing the top portion. So I'm raising the steering wheel up just like that. Now I can see all of the gauges, all of the lights on the dashboard. I can also see the center console right here, everything in the car, and you also want to be able to see outside of the car. So you want to look out the actual windshield. Can you see out of the windshield, or is the steering wheel blocking part of the windshield? Because if I was sitting lower, the steering wheel, I'd be able to see all the gauges, but the steering wheel would be blocking my view of the road. So the steering wheel is at a position alongside with my seat that allows me to see everything inside of the car and outside of the car. Now, once again, when you grip the steering wheel, you want to make sure that you have a little bit of a bend in your arm like that. If you're gripping the steering wheel like this, the steering wheel needs to come closer to you, okay? If you are gripping the steering wheel like this, then you need to move your seat back or push the steering wheel further away from you. You want to be able to grip the wheel and have a little bit of a bend in your arm just like that. All right, moving forward to the seat. First and foremost, you want to make sure that your actual sliding of your seat is in the right position. So if I'm going to bring my seat forward now. So I've now mispositioned my seat. Now I'm pushing down on the pedals, and my foot, when I press down on that brake pedal completely, my leg is still really bent. So I need to move the seat back a little bit more and a little bit more until when I press down on that pedal, not that your leg needs to be straight, but you need to be comfortable resting your foot on that pedal. So I just need to go a little bit further back. Now what I can do is I can press down on the brake pedal, and I'm going to put my foot, since the car started and I don't want to rev it here in the parking lot, I'm going to put my foot behind the gas pedal, and I can touch the back of the flooring there comfortably. So it allows you to press the pedals down fully and be comfortable. Like, hold your foot down on that brake pedal fully depressed, fully pressed down with the brake pedal fully depressed for, just a few moments, for 30 seconds, a minute, and make sure that you're still comfortable. Now, as I'm holding my foot down with the brake pedal pressed down, I'm going to adjust the back, because as you can see, you shouldn't be driving like this. So I'm going to bring the back of the actual seat forward, and it should allow you to, once again, grip the steering wheel. Now, you can make the steering wheel adjustments and the seat adjustments together, alongside, simultaneously with each other, to perfect it. So I could now say that, I'm almost there. I could, pull the steering wheel out slightly at this point if I wanted to, if I needed to, but I don't need to, because as you can see, I have a good bend in my arm. I'm fully relaxed back like this. You want to be able to have good posture with your seat and press the pedals down effectively. Now, the last thing that I want to talk about is your headrest. Now, people think that your headrest, at least this is my opinion, people think that your headrest is designed so that you can rest your head like this as you drive. I don't know one person that drives like this. I've never seen a person that drives like this in my whole driving career, okay? So your headrest is designed to allow you to be comfortable when you're not driving. So let's say right now I'm parked in a parking lot and I wanted to rest my head. I could rest my head like this. So you want your headrest to be in a position where it's like this, but it's also there for safety, because your headrest is there, to protect your head in the unfortunate event of an accident. So you want to make sure that it's in the right position to keep your head and your neck safe. You want to make sure that the support is there. So put your head back on the headrest and make sure that you have the right support that feels good and it feels nice and comforting for you. But that's basically it. In this video, I've gone over the proper seating and steering wheel positioning for driving. I've shown you how to make the right adjustments. I've shown you what to look for, what to do, how you should feel when you adjust all of these things in the car. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.